Assalamu alaikum, my name is Uzma Saeed, and this is my Android project, QR Attendance System, offline and secure. This app is designed to digitally mark attendance using QR codes and offers two different user roles, admin and user. It's built with Kotlin, Room database, and a modern UI using XML layouts and material components. Let's walk through all the features step by step. Role selection screen where the user chooses whether to continue as admin or user. This choice helps the app redirect them to the correct dashboard after login. Based on the role selected, users enter their credentials. The login system checks the Room database to verify identity. We also included a "Remember Me" checkbox, so you don't need to type again. 20. If a new user wants to register, they can go to the Sign Up screen. Here, they provide a unique user ID, password, and choose their role. Duplicate user IDs are automatically blocked with proper validation. The user is then saved in the Room database, and they can now log in using the credentials they just created. Admin Dashboard Overview. After logging in as admin, we land on the admin dashboard. The admin has full control. They can generate QR codes, view attendance, export records, and even check summaries through charts. Let's explore these one by one. Add User Overview. After logging in as admin, the admin add member as admin or user as per needs. Admin put user ID, select role, click Save. Generate QR. QR code generation is simple. The admin enters a valid user ID and the app instantly generates a QR image. It can be saved to the device or shared with the user via any supported app. We'll explore the main activity of our QR Attendance System app. This screen allows users to scan a QR code and mark their attendance. The main activity extends app compat activity. Inside the onCreate method, initializing the QR scanner. Next, we create an instance of MPAndroidChart, a class from the Zexing library used to scan QR codes. We unlock orientation to allow both portrait and landscape scanning, and we also set a user prompt, scan QR code. Handling button click. When the scan button is clicked, the initiate scan method is called. After the scan is completed or cancelled, the onActivity result method is triggered. Here, we use MPAndroidChart, parse activity result, to get the result. Marking. When the app starts, this activity shows a splash screen using activity_splash.xml. Inside onCreate, we use a handler with a 5-second delay. After that, role selection screen appears. This is our role selection activity. It lets users choose whether they want to log in as an admin or a user. Inside onCreate, we connect the admin and user buttons using Find View by ID. When the admin button is clicked, the app navigates to admin login activity. Similarly, if the user button is clicked, it opens user login activity. This screen helps separate login flows based on user roles. The user enters their user ID and password, and clicks the login button. The app checks the entered credentials from the Room database. If the user exists and the password matches, they are redirected to their respective dashboard, admin or user, based on their saved role. If the credentials are incorrect or the user is not registered, an error message is shown. There is also a button to go to the Sign Up screen for new users. New users can create an account by entering their name, user ID, password, and selecting a role, admin or user. When the Sign Up button is clicked, the app checks if the user ID already exists in the Room database. This screen generates a QR code that includes the user ID and current date, used for marking attendance. If the user is existed in database, it will generate QR code, otherwise its pop-up user doesn't exist. This screen opens the camera to scan the QR code. Once scanned, the app instantly records the user's attendance with the current date and time. The Attendance DAO handles all database operations, like saving, fetching, and filtering attendance records based on date or user. Binds each attendance record to a list item, displaying the user's name, ID, date, and time. It ensures smooth scrolling and a clean display using Recycler View. This is the app database class. It defines the Room database and connects DAOs like User DAO and Attendance DAO, allowing all data operations to run through a single database instance. This is the Add User Activity screen. Admins can manually enter user details like name, ID, password, and role, and save them to the room database with a single click. In our Gradle setup, we include Room and Room KTX for database management with live data support. We add Zexing for seamless QR code scanning and MPAndroidChart for bar and pie charts. Android X Core, AppCompat, and Constraint Layout provide core UI and layout features. We also include Lifecycle KTX and ViewModel for robust MVVM architecture. Finally, Kotlin coroutines simplify background tasks and data operations. Welcome to the QR Attendance System app. When the app launches, the splash screen appears for a few seconds, followed by the role selection screen, where you choose to continue as either an admin or a user. After that, you reach the login screen. You enter your user ID and password, and the app verifies your credentials using Room Database. New users can tap Sign Up to create an account by providing their name, user ID, password, and role. Duplicate IDs are checked to prevent repeated entries. Once logged in, admins land on their dashboard where they can tap Add User to register new team members. Each user's details, name, ID, password, and role, are saved securely in the local database. Next, the admin taps Generate QR, which creates a unique QR code containing the current date and admin ID. This code is used by users to scan and mark attendance. On the Scan QR screen, the camera opens and scans the code. The app instantly records attendance along with date and time, and stores it in the Room database. From the dashboard, admins can also view all attendance records, displayed in a clean Recycler View list. The export feature allows the admin to convert attendance data into a PDF or image, making it easy to save or share. If saving ever fails, due to missing fields or existing IDs, the app shows a friendly message: Save failed. Please try again. Lastly, the Logout button safely signs out the user and returns to the role selection screen, ensuring data security.